How to bulk upload multiple users simultaneously? Simple, click on the User Bulk Upload button. A pop-up window will open for upload bulk users. Click on the Download Sample File button. A sample Excel file will be downloaded to your system. Open the downloaded file. You will see 7 fields in the Excel sheet. Add multiple users in the single Excel sheet by filling in the details according to these fields. Remember to select the user role from the drop-down. The options will automatically appear under the same. Please ensure the employee code is unique for each user. After entering all the user details, review the file once and save it. Next, go back to the application. Select the member to which you want to assign the users. If required, you can also select the level. Click on Browse and select the Excel file you just saved. Then click on the Upload Users button. Your users will be uploaded successfully. If you want to check the recently added users, simply use the search bar and search for the specific user. You will see that the user has been added successfully.